3 counter punches. Roll. All right, the best full boxing combination you can use with a beginner. Hiya, my name's Glenn Holmes. I'm the co-owner of the Box and Burn Academy, the world's #1 boxing fitness education course. All right, so what is the best full boxing combination you can use with a beginner? It's this. I'm going to break it down and I'm going to explain why it's the best combination. It's going to be a 1-2 and then a roll. She's going to roll under my hook. From there, she's going to come back with a right hand, left hook, right hand. So 3 counter punches. So starting with that 1-2, right? Then into defense, coming back with 3 counter punches. Why is this the best combination to use with a beginner? A few reasons. First of all, you're starting with the 1-2, right? That's the most basic combination in boxing. So once we've dialed in that 1-2 and you've gone through that and taught it and coached it a few times and they feel comfortable with that 1-2, the best thing you can do from there is add in defense. Now, the good thing about the roll is when you get somebody who's boxing for the first time or it's their first few sessions, as soon as they roll underneath a punch, they feel amazing. They feel like, whoa, I can actually like defend myself. It builds that confidence. It builds that self-esteem. So if you can get this combination in within the first session or the first few sessions, their confidence is going to skyrocket. Now from there, not only have they avoided a punch, now they're going to come back with some counter punches. We're going to give them the right hand, left hook, right hand, just a standard combination after that roll. So a real basic combination, but a good full one. And for a beginner or a first timer, this is an amazing confidence building combination. So one more time, we're going to ask for the 1-2 roll, and then we're going to teach them that after that roll, they're always going to come back with those 3 punches. So 1-2 roll. And then they automatically know that right, left, right to throw that after the roll, which again is just confidence building because you don't even need to tell them what to do after that. They're starting to build that chemistry with you as the coach. So there it is. The best combination you can use with a beginner or a first timer is the 1-2 roll, 2 hook 2. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, leave your comments below. And for more videos like this, check out the channel.